right, guys. Now, using a spin bike, it's a little easier. And what you want to do is you want to adjust the seat so that it's basically about up to your heel bone. Actually, that's going to be about right for me. Tighten it up. Then the next thing you want to do is put your feet in the stirrups. You know what I'm saying? Slide that around. Maybe. Right? Now, the next thing is, if you can see this little dial right here. If you pull it all the way back, it makes it super, super easy. Right? It spins nice and free. To slow it down or to put more resistance on it, you just push it forward. The farther you push it forward, the more resistance you get, and the harder it is to pedal. You want to keep it somewhere in that medium range, unless you're going to stand up on the bike. You're going to stand up on the bike, push it up farther, stand up on the saddle, right. Once again, the main thing you want to know is get those feet in those stirrups, get your seat adjustment set up right, and then the final thing is this little dial here, it controls basically how hard it is to pedal. Just remember, all the way forward is hard, all the way back is easy.